Cancer is one of the most challenging diseases to overcome, and there are several reasons why it is so difficult to beat. These reasons range from the biological complexity of the disease to the limitations of current treatment methods. Here's a detailed video of why cancer is so hard to fight. Cancer refers to a group of over 100 different diseases that occur when abnormal cells in the body begin to grow uncontrollably. Each type of cancer behaves differently depending on where it originates in the body, e.g., lung, breast, or colon, and its genetic makeup. As a result, there is no one-size-fits-all treatment for cancer, and therapies that work for one type of cancer may not be effective for another. Moreover, even within the same type of cancer, individual tumors can vary significantly in their genetic mutations, making it even more challenging to find a universal cure. This variability means that a treatment plan that works for one patient may not work for another, even if their cancers appear to be the same. One of the most troubling aspects of cancer is its ability to evolve rapidly. Cancer cells are genetically unstable, meaning they can mutate quickly, sometimes developing resistance to treatments such as chemotherapy or radiation. When cancer cells divide, they create new cells, and during this process, they can acquire mutations that help them evade the immune system or become resistant to drugs. As cancer cells evolve, they can develop mechanisms to outsmart the body's natural defenses. For instance, they may develop the ability to hide from immune cells, prevent apoptosis, program cell death, or even resist chemotherapy drugs that normally target rapidly dividing cells. This adaptability is one reason why cancers often return after treatment, even if they initially seem to be eradicated. Another significant challenge in beating cancer is metastasis, the process by which cancer cells spread from their original location to other parts of the body. Once cancer cells have spread, they can form secondary tumors in distant organs, making the disease more difficult to treat and increasing the risk of life-threatening complications. Metastasis is a complex process that involves cancer cells breaking away from the primary tumor, traveling through the bloodstream or lymphatic system, and establishing new growths in other organs. The ability of cancer to metastasize means that even if the primary tumor is successfully removed or destroyed, the spread of cancer cells can lead to new tumors that are harder to control. A tumor's microenvironment, the surrounding tissue, blood vessels, immune cells, and other components, plays a crucial role in supporting cancer growth and spread. Cancer cells often manipulate their environment to create favorable conditions for their survival and expansion. For example, tumors can stimulate the growth of new blood vessels, a process known as angiogenesis, to supply themselves with the nutrients and oxygen needed for their rapid growth. Additionally, cancer cells can suppress the immune system within the tumor environment, making it harder for immune cells to detect and destroy the malignant cells. The presence of this protective microenvironment makes it difficult for treatments to target and destroy cancer cells without harming normal, healthy tissue. Cancer cells have developed a variety of strategies to evade detection and destruction by the body's immune system. Normally, the immune system recognizes and eliminates abnormal or damaged cells. However, cancer cells can produce signals that suppress immune responses or disguise themselves as normal cells. Some tumors express proteins that inhibit immune cells from recognizing the cancer as a threat, while others may release molecules that directly suppress the immune system. Additionally, cancer cells can alter their surface markers, making it harder for immune cells to identify them as dangerous. In some cases, cancer cells can even induce a state of immune tolerance, where the immune system mistakenly tolerates the cancer cells rather than attacking them. This immune evasion contributes significantly to the difficulty of treating cancer, as the immune system is often unable to mount an effective response against the growing tumor. Many cancers grow slowly in the early stages, often without producing noticeable symptoms. This can make early detection difficult. By the time symptoms appear, the cancer may have already reached an advanced stage, making it harder to treat. For example, cancers like pancreatic or ovarian cancer are often diagnosed at a late stage when the disease has already spread, and the chances of successful treatment are much lower. The lack of reliable early detection methods for many types of cancer contributes significantly to the difficulty in effectively treating the disease. Early detection is critical for improving the chances of survival, but for many cancers, this remains a significant challenge. Current cancer treatments, such as chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery, can be highly effective in killing cancer cells, but they also come with severe side effects. Chemotherapy, for example, targets rapidly dividing cells, but it cannot distinguish between cancerous and healthy cells, leading to damage in normal tissues. This can result in a variety of side effects such as hair loss, nausea, fatigue, and immune suppression. While advancements in targeted therapies and immunotherapy are helping to minimize side effects, many treatments still carry risks and may only be effective in specific cancer types. In some cases, the side effects of treatment can make it difficult for patients to tolerate therapy, leading to discontinuation of treatment or a reduced quality of life. As mentioned earlier, cancer cells are capable of evolving and developing resistance to treatments. This resistance can occur in response to chemotherapy, targeted therapy, or immunotherapy. Over time, the cancer may adapt to survive in the presence of the treatment, making it more difficult to achieve a cure. In some cases, cancer cells may undergo genetic mutations that allow them to outsmart the drugs or therapies being used. This is particularly true for targeted therapies, where the treatment is designed to attack specific genetic mutations found in cancer cells. When those mutations evolve or new mutations arise, the treatment may no longer be effective. The field of personalized medicine has made significant strides in recent years, offering hope for more effective cancer treatments tailored to individual patients' genetic profiles. However, the complexity of cancer's genetic diversity and the ability of tumors to evolve mean that personalized medicine is still a developing field, and it may not be accessible to all patients or available for all types of cancer. While the use of genetic testing to identify specific mutations and vulnerabilities in cancer cells is promising, it remains a challenge to develop targeted therapies that work across the wide range of genetic variations seen in cancer. Additionally, cancer's ability to change over time means that even personalized treatments may eventually fail as the tumor evolves. Cancer is a highly complex and adaptive disease that presents numerous challenges to successful treatment. Its genetic diversity, ability to evolve resistance, capacity to evade the immune system, and tendency to metastasize make it difficult to treat and eradicate. While significant progress has been made in cancer research, there is still much to learn about how to overcome the barriers to curing cancer. As our understanding of cancer biology improves, new treatments such as immunotherapy, targeted therapies, and precision medicine may offer better outcomes for patients. However, cancer's adaptability and complexity mean that finding a universal cure remains an ongoing challenge.